Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This look might seem a little bit familiar, seeing that it's the exact same one from my previous video this week. I am going to be doing a tutorial on the eye look right here. I decided to film 2 videos in one day and, you know, kill 2 birds with 1 stone, that kind of thing. I originally had done this for a shoot in January, so about 4 or 5 months ago. Yeah, long overdue. And I just really love this. It's a very neutral glam look. Well, that's what I'll probably call it because I haven't decided yet. So if you're interested in seeing how I created it, please keep watching. Guess what? My eyes are primed. What else is new? All right, so I'm going off this picture that I did a long time ago, and I'm trying to remember exactly how I did it. So I'm gonna try to recreate it to the best of my ability. I think I had most of the details. Why didn't I put down what Jaclyn Hill shadows I use? That's so annoying. So I have little MAC shadows. And here it says I used Bamboo, Brown Down, and Blanc type. So that being said, okay. So I'm pretty sure how I did this was, where are my brushes? Let's start there. So I'm gonna take Bamboo here from MAC. It's a pretty neutral color. And I'm going to just put this in the crease area. I'm pretty sure I brought it far over as well. We are doing a cut crease here. So I'm gonna flick this out. Need to get my brows done. I have a lot to do before my trip. And this is a B38 brush I'm using. I always forget to say what brushes I'm using in my videos. I don't know why. Shall we? Now that that is down, I think I went in with, I'm pretty sure it's Pooter from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This shade right here. My mom's favorite. And I'm just gonna pop this in over that Bamboo color. Deepen things up a little bit. I'm gonna bring this a little farther over on the lid. So now I'm gonna go in with Brown Down from MAC, and I'm trying to find the brush that I want to use, but I don't know where it is. Anyway, I guess I'm gonna take this Morphe R41 pencil brush here, and I'm gonna focus this color on my outer V area here. I'm gonna make it a little bit sloppy for now, because I'll go back in and blend out everything. I'm just gonna use this brush to pack it all on first. Yeah, and coming in with the warm browns, I guess. I think the trick with darker colors like this is definitely like going light instead of heavy-handed and blending. Because I know darker colors can be kind of intimidating, especially on the eye. And just take it slow. My eyes get tired from like blending. I think what I also went in with was, I think I went in with like this color, which is Central Perk, one of these two, Chip or Mocha. And now I like don't remember. And part of me thinks I also went in with Buns, but now I don't know. I can't remember, it was such a long time ago. So I think I'm gonna go in with Mocha first and just see if this will like, there we go, deepen it up a little bit more on the outside. Now I'm just gonna go back in with this brush and blend it all out one more time. Now I'm actually gonna take Pooter, bring it a little bit farther over on the lid. Use it to blend out up here too. Now we're gonna cut the crease, or just honestly just clean up a little bit and make it look sharper. So it's not gonna be too much of a cut crease, just a cleanup. This is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm just gonna blend kind of this out a little bit more so it's not as harsh of a cutoff, because we don't like that. But now I'm going to take Blanc type, and I'm going to take this on that little tiny detail brush I always like to use. I'm calling it a B16 because it's the most similar thing to it. It's this tiny, teeny tiny little brush right here. And I'm going to pack this over that concealer. And it's pretty much a perfect match to the concealer itself, but also gives it that little extra. Part of me wants to say I went in with Mylar, but I don't think I did. I just packed this all on top of everything. Okay, so now that that's done, this looks as close to what I did as possible. I'm going to blend this out a little bit more, I think, with bamboo. I don't think I need background music now. All right, I'm gonna do a wing because that's what I did in the look. I need to see how thick of a wing I did though. I think this was like a really good wing liner day, so I'm really hoping I can recreate this. I'm gonna try to do this on camera for you guys. That's pretty good, right? Let's see if I can match the other one. I'm going to focus on me. I'm gonna have to get rid of whatever's at the door. Or maybe there's a ghost in my room. So I'm gonna coat my lashes with mascara, and then I'm gonna pop on my Scarlett lashes here from Huda Beauty. Love these lashes. And finish the rest of my face pretty much, because we're basically done with the eyes. So I will be back to show you guys the final look. All right, so I am done with this eye look, with this tutorial. This is the final look. I will link all of the, oh my gosh, there's a dot on my monitor and it looks like I had a black spot on my tooth. So this completes this look right here. I really, really love this a lot. I don't know why it took me so long to do this tutorial, but here it is. This is what it is. I'm not sure what I'm calling it yet. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. I really, really appreciate it. If you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, wherever. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.